Wagwan my people, wagwan my people. How you guys doing? Now my people, look at this. Look at this, my people. This is not a river. This is not a pond. This is not a lake. Alright, my people. So right now we're the new market. Right now we're the new market, my people. And this is what is happening here in New Market. Place under water in sections of New Market. Look at it, people. And this is actually going down now. It was way higher. Yeah. So sections of New Market also under water, my people. And it's not just a small little area. Acres of water, as you guys can see. Yeah man, acres of water, my people. As you guys can see, now I understand sections of the town is underwater as well. That's how I'm here. We're gonna try to go around the side there. And so I go on, but as you guys can see, yeah, water enough. Water enough, my people. Wanna see it? Holy for water. In the New Market area. We're gonna drive around on the other side. Not sure what time it is. Yeah man, right on the roadside, man, right on the roadside. New Market. So come along guys, we're gonna show you what going on the other side. See what going? Strange. Yeah, my people, so this is what going on. Damages. Crazy damages done to the people in the place. Here in the New Market as well. Actually, I see the water from a different angle. So I go on my people, so I see the water from a different angle now. All of this wasn't there. See the amount of water there in the New Market, my people. Boy, so things strange. Land of wood and water still. But the strangest part, my people, is that them parts are hilly areas. I understand them parts are hilly areas, so that is the strange thing about it. Alright, we are going around to the town section now. So I'll go on. So you know, I ask if animals and so on OD in this now. I don't know what I mean. You know, I have to ask if animals not drop out in this because it look like a piece of land where cattle used to dip on, yeah. And I look like the land, yeah. Cow and them thing they used to dip on them land, so you know, say how good as drop out in them water, etc. Because I don't know, nobody know. Acres and acres of water that wasn't there before. It's a new market now, my people. New market. The town. A lot of damage is done to this town as well. So that way too. So this way it leads to, yeah. So normally when people drive through Allen Bamboo and come through New Market, if you go Mobile Way, this is the section that they'll drive to. Alright, my people, so this is New Market. And we're going to show you how the water take over the place. This is what we're going. Sections of the road still impassable. Buildings down and the place underwater, my people. I'm showing you what we're going. Now, this section of the road you can't drive again. Normally, when I go through New Market, this could take you to Anchovy and Bethel Town and all the way back to Montego Bay. Look at that, my people. Church roof gone. I think a community center did this somewhere close to here, so in that area. Yeah, I think a community center did it in that area. So look at this. So this is New Market, my people. Underwater. Now this is crazy. I remember saying a low line area, them you know, my people. Them here and a low line area. Them place are hilly area, look. Them place are hilly area. Right now, all of them places are underwater. Look at this. As far as the eyes can see. So the road carry all the way around. Go back around, you know. Twist and turn that way. All the way back to Bethel Town and Chovy. Right back to Montego Bay, my people. Now look at it. Look at it. Underwater. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy, my people. Yeah, hey, from Hurricane Melissa past, may I tell you some phenomenal, some craziness of my witness. I never believe the water that all of them places like this. My people, look at this. Man, this is crazy. Look at that. Look at that, people. New Market today. Hey. Yeah, I think there was a play field somewhere around here, so when them keep the party, them and them type of thing, they around there, so them keep it. Building it, the rest of it gone. Wow. And you know, my sense them do nothing to them road yet, you know. Because the water still there, so they're not going to have no interest to clear them place. So. They're not going to have no interest to clear them place. So look, as far as I can see over the side. So, yeah man, low on water. Don't water, my people. All of them places, buildings. You see over them places, all of the buildings them gone and things. Yeah man, son. No, I'm Emma and them and niece them we are carrying, we'll show them how go on. Because them must see this again for them lifetime. Look at this part, when I look on is that place on a hill, you know, flat, like a plane. Yeah? Yeah. You remember them out here? Yeah, you have to miss a drive. No, mobile and church. Yeah, so I need to see somebody to talk to them, ask them a little question about the place, but I never see nobody out here, so I have to walk all the way around there, so I'm bridging way up at the part there. Probably I can ask somebody else in the town still. If them place here they mine out, because them land look like a mine out reclaim land them to me. Just like how down Kirkvine and them place to look where the water rise down the man the content. Same way the land them look like them mine it out and refill it and grass it. Because most of the cow raised one of them here and my people. So I'm gonna find out exactly if them place are used to mine as well. Yeah, my people, so we are trying to find somebody who can ask a question about the place. I tell you, say, place not look good. Place not look good. It seems like all this catch a fire since. Place not look good at all. Roof they gone. Roof gone. Everywhere you look, it's a zinc. Oh my gosh, zinc. Nail. House there underwater and my people, you see that? House there underwater. There has to be. But I ask you, animal, you know how they drown in them water here because a whole heap of cow raised on them land of people. A whole heap of cow raised on them land. See that again? Post down, zinc all about. Look at that. Water. Wow. So this road now leads to Darliston. Right? So go back into the town. So coming from middle quarters end, you go straight across this as far as you can see. As I was saying, you go straight across that to the carry to Betheltown. This road carry you to Darliston, and look, it's impossible. And you probably can drive here, say no. Yeah, because but you can't pass light post and thing in the road. Look at this, people. So you know, if you ask if you don't have, they call it now waterborne infection and then something there. Mosquito and them thing there. Alright guys, guess what now? The fence in them, most of the landed fence, just like I used to them fence. Most of the landed fence parts. So whatever cow did there upon the land them time there, where them there. Where them did there. So let's walk on. Waterfalls. You can see. New market on the water as well, my people.
I went out 79. Water coming high, the light post of the sun. That was the light post.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, so boat people usually use and go to use boat and go. You can start to see by own station, as they say, usually, the boat usually dock.
Oh, so it plays known for you?
But see, yeah, you can't do that enough, but you're not sure, right now you're not sure I'm fucking idiot there because me and building. All the building have to building. But the thing about it, you see, this is a man that I believe in about it. So I'm obligated to the bank. If you're obligated to the bank, now you could do a talk to you to be that.
You don't have to
You understand me?
run.
Yeah, man.
You don't hide right now.
So, my policy is that when you hear me appeal, like you chop a up spur tree and overheat your top, and you make it cool down. Let's go catch it, make it cool down. When it cool down, you drive and over there.
Again. So peace.
Yeah, this is a billion house, a billion around next piece. Inside a black tank, there's a big three bedroom up there, like, you know, can rent. People come down here to do work, see if they can also come and work at them at there's a place they can put them.
Yeah.
They understand they can stay, but you don't understand. Chance, are you not bus you come?
Yeah.
All the drive cars are last chance to take.
Only for time before.
Okay.
Before distribution, I do.
Okay. So then Chinese them not on it. Bye. Alright, actually we have an island property after me. Right, so 63 acres. And they have over cow obviously now, but they're maroon here, so now we can't get to them from here. So I could drive around on the bypass road, no park and then walk for me.
So only for them drop out too?
No man, I use on London, I come over check out 40, yeah, 40.
Oh, so the water not really trouble them?
No, so guys see the higher area is obviously.
Oh, them did find them other area then?
Obviously, I try to take them in.
So it happened before and you didn't have an idea, so
yeah, man,
you just take a chance. So are the breeze blow down them side?
Only one, I said, yeah man, lick down with blood clean. Because here the man, they tie the one, they bend it and tie. So, you know, with the breeze are heavy, you know?
No. And then when under this alone.
You can't see move and blood clot canteen and find yourself swinging all over the bamboo today. You know, well, the only thing we can say about this, the rest of life we have on earth, we don't hope we don't see something like this again.
Really?
We don't want to see this again. I mean, if it can get worse. Like this one did.
Not the worst, man, them say the worst. The worst, recorded, worst. Nothing else
But
like
maybe if they could carry go higher category, maybe that it'll pass 5.
Yeah.
5 are extreme, you know.
Yeah, it passed 5
Yeah.
according to the wind speed. It way past 5.
Okay.
At almost starting the type wind speed we're getting up.
That's why when you learn how to this stuff, don't buy no land beside sea. So we don't buy land over Portmore and land. We say no buy. Like you see, can you imagine if you come Kingston side?
I tell people every day, say by the Kingston side they come
Yeah.
worse.
Hundreds that wipe out, man, people that
Worse. Biggest thing you know that more people living in them.
Yes, and it's densely populated, yeah.
Right. So that would have been worse. Crazy man. Alright, what do you? Yeah.
So really get down into and stuff like that. So that's like I'm gonna house in that one, not the one, you know? But this is water in there, so get in man. It could be the water than the sign.
This one never did it?
Yeah, this is water in there, but it just see water then when you come round, so then everything you go down, so go full it. And come right back. Over there, so now you feed back over there and come over here.
Oh,
that's
so
over from the side.
So from that side down the side.
Yeah man, but over there so I draw, but down here so now I rise up normal. Yeah man. I mean I first man make one ride and for me ride the going down. Yeah man, that's how you do it. Yeah.
So me I hear the general that say it happened before, like way back in the days. Yeah, 70s.
Yeah, man, I know. So do I that from there. So, and it's been dangerous more because the last time when water come up on the station wall, so, could I turn up where you see that road that they get fish over here. So. Yeah. And then them water come but at the baddest time is coming because it destroys away enough, it destroys. It bends steel, it blow away. It blow a container where you know so heavy. And every damn thing, I don't just a container, they are looking nice. Where we never witnessed yet.
What's the container anyway?
Oh, all up our part, that's it. I think me also Westmoreland I take every year. Right now, you know, I'm going to this spot there and the answer board there. Yeah, man. Round us no boat house around there. Round us we go around. And no boat house do that. And he was over you see that water over there. But the need to do that, you understand.
I used to never say.
Somebody is going that they will say.
We're not pictures make house.
Yeah.
Right now, this is the time I'm making more part of it.
Yeah, man, yeah,
I want you to make house, make concrete house so you can.
Yeah, no, that you're talking about.
Now use no man.
I just wish that they want to support Jesus because he both break away. So there, and the one thing I come in up. Remember, we look around this and say it's not going, but look how much here. It's down my blow.
This can, yeah, you can drive to, but most of the story in the way.
Yeah, man, that's all. Yeah, man. Yeah, because this could not even drive to, but that's all. Oh, that's all. Because I want post the right as a way, concrete post like that.
Water, tall.
Eh?
And the water cover it.
No, man, the way it up, when you see that thing there, one concrete post across the road.
Oh, yeah,
But the idea we could have walked there, but this is water now, it has come back. You come back and full up here, so now. So that me idea. So you know, nothing that can give me now.
Alright, my people. Yeah, man, so that was New Market, my people. New Market underwater as well. Yeah, man, New Market underwater as well, my people. Well affected by Hurricane Melissa, as you guys can see. Buildings, damage, power line down, utility post, whatever you call it. Yeah? And the place underwater. I think it draw a little bit from some area and a full up in another area. Same place in the New Market area. So we're taking it, guys. We're taking all of the happenings to you here in Jamaica. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like and share. Yeah man, until next time my people. Peace out. So we're heading to another place in Jamaica. The new market area, guys. People them on the tent and them type of thing there. Chapaling and them type of thing there. Place underwater. Well, them say the place never mind up before it's just there. We call it topography or the whatever graphy of the island on the land this side. I don't remember the right word now. Church Top Gun. Basic school Top Gun. What name? And that's the name of the school.